Hi guys, this is Shiva going to explain current affairs 2020. Transboundary river water management. A new study highlighted that impact of China dams on Mekong River has raised the question on dams being built on Brahmaputra that originate in China. About the study shows that 6 dams built since commissioning of the Naujhadu Dam. This is Naujhadu Dam in 2012 has been altered the natural flow of this river Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra rises from Chemyanyun glacier. China has been constructing 3 hydropower projects on the mainstream of Brahmaputra in Tibet. Out of Jangmu Dam has been completed, 2 are under construction. India does not have any water sharing agreement with China because Tibet only the motherland of glaciers. Reverse water cooperation between India and neighborhood countries. Indus Water Treaty in 1960, the agreement of cooperation between the India and Pakistan. Indo-Bangladesh Joint River Commissions was set up in 1972 on the Treaty of Friendship and Cooperation and Peace. Ganga Treaty between the India and Bangladesh 1996, India and Nepal 1954, 1959, 1991. There was a treaties between 1996 too. India Bhutan agreement on the Wangchi River, India China water data sharing in the Brahmaputra and Sutlej rivers. This is China, Brahmaputra river, Ganga river, Sutlej river and Indus river. Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Wangchi river, Bhutan. That's right. This is the data between India and Pakistan. This is Bangladesh. This is Bhutan and Nepal. Dent on Earth's magnetic field. This is the dent. Earth is enormous magnet. Its iron rich core creating the shield of magnetic field that envelops planet well almost. Scientists were keeping the close eye on growing dent on its magnetic field over the swath of Atlantic Ocean that stretches the South Africa western into Brazil. This is Brazil place. In this zone known as South Atlantic anomaly, this area is under the denting area known as South Atlantic anomaly. This is an invisible shield that protects the planet from radiation and charged particles from the sun. Sun is weaker in normal. Earth's magnetic field. This is an Earth's magnetic field. Earth's magnetic field products iron rich outer of the core, which creates a field that swirls around the inner core, and the field protects Earth almost from being slowly stripped away charged particles from the sun. When there is a sun, sometimes releases the charged particles. These Earth's outer magnetic field protects from these highly charged particles. It protects the electronic equipments and satellites also. Van Allen belts. These are the Van Allen belts, which also protects the satellites. Himalayan Viagra. In present days, it prices rises up to 20 lakh per kg. This is the world costliest fungus, Ophiocordyceps sensis, also known as Himalaya Viagra. It has entered in International Union for Conservation and Natures in the red list of threatened species. The list has placed the fungus known as and the vulnerable category, citing the reason for placing fungus in the vulnerable category. This is the Himalayan Viagra place. That is caterpillar, a fungus attached to the caterpillar, which which fungus name is Ophiocordyceps sensis. It is a caterpillar fungus endemic in Himalayan and Tibetan plateau, found in China, Bhutan, Nepal, and India. In India, primarily found in Uttarakhand, in the higher reaches of the districts Pithogar and Chamboli. It's also locally known as Kirajhari and Yaras Gubha in Nepal. Uses are these are medicinal purpose uses for curing the cancer. Conservation status: it has been listed under the vulnerable category as per IUCN Red List. Champions: a scheme for the MSME groups. PM recently launched the Champion, which means creation and harmonious applications of modern process for increasing the output and national strength. It helps MSMEs to in the present difficult situations and also hold them to become national and international champions, including the finance, raw material, labor, regulatory permissions, etc., particularly in the COVID crisis, including manufacturing of medicinal equipments like PPE, personal protection equipment, and mask, supply them in the national and international markets. The portal is basically for making smaller units big by this, solving their grievances, encouraging, supporting, helping, and hand holding. Online justice delivery. Supreme Court passes a direction for all courts across the country using video conference for judicial processing amid the COVID-19 pandemic. It is a pan India project monitoring funded by the Department of Justice, Ministry of Law and Justice, Government of India for the district court across the country. Objective of this e-court project is to provide designated services to the citizens as well as the courts by the International Court of ICT, establishment enablement of all district subordinate courts in the country. Online justice delivery. This is a National Judicial Data Grid. It is a web. It is a portal. We can here available all the civil cases and criminal total cases, which are shown directly to the citizens of India. Asteroid 16 Hyche. Asteroid 16 Hyche is situated in the asteroid belt between the Mars and Jupiter. It measures some 200 kilometers. Rich in gold and other precious metal. This is cosmic riches which could make fortunes to the people of living on the earth. Hyche main contains 17 billion tons of nickel iron, enough to satisfy the mankind's current demand for millions of years. Air Unit Quality Monitoring, which also known as AUM. Recently, Department of Science and Technology revealed the AUM photonic system. Is an indigenous photonic system to real-time remote monitoring air quality parameters, which this innovative application is a principle of laser backstat, entering the statistical mechanics, optoelectrics, artificial intelligence, and machine deep learning and Internet of Things. It can identify, classify, quantify various pollutants simultaneously and meteorological parameters of the pollutant. It's portable and compact, low power and economical, and works in on plug and play system. Requires no setting uptime, no additional civil infrastructure for housing. This is a simple equipment which using this we can conduct air testing in your living areas. It provides information on gases and meteorological parameters simultaneously. It's a non-instructive remote and real-time monitoring system which very high sensitive and accuracies. Dhruva chip, a chip which is for navigation purpose. It will receive the signals from India's NAVIC group of navigation satellites as well as US GPS based satellite. To determine this accuracy under all weather conditions, it can receive in multiple frequency bands and handle weak signals also. Such signals can convert into digital bits and processed by the standard digital signal processor and to determine one's location precisely on the India's arena. It will help receive and clean up the signals received from NAVIC, which are 3600 kilometers above the Earth's surface. This is NAVIC. NAVIC means navigation with Indian constellations. Is India's geopositioning system with 9 satellites designed by the ISRO to provide accurate real-time positioning and timing services within the country. This is NAVIC, which can uses in navigation purpose to the ships and for the automobiles and for aeroplanes and for signals to the mobiles also. NAVIC provides 2 levels of services: standard positioning services and restricted services, which will be standard given to civilian users and restricted users for authorized users. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.